Hey everybody, this is Mr. Walsh, and today we're going to be talking about mole calculations, and this particular worksheet has to do with mole to mass calculations. So I'm going to do some sample problems here, and then there'll be a future video on finishing up or doing the rest of the answer key. So the sample problems here are going to include question 7, question 1, question 8, okay, in that order. Okay, so question 7, just so you know, doesn't require us to calculate a molar mass, so that's why we're going to start with that one. The only thing we have to do is look up the mass of arsenic on the periodic table, and the mass of arsenic on the periodic table is 74.922. So what we know is that 1 mole of arsenic equals 74, see, this is the problem, you get a little excited, 74.922, 74.922 grams, okay? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna make this a little so that you can read it a little better. Okay, so now we're gonna set this up and we're gonna X line. So to do the X line, we're gonna start with the number in the problem. So 238 moles. We're going to X line, moles on the bottom, grams on the top, and then we use the conversion factor and plug those numbers in. So we know that it's 1 mole and 74.922 grams. Okay, now we get out our calculator. I can find a place where we can actually see the thing. So it's going to be 238 times 74.922. Okay, and then that equals 17831 grams. Okay, and so that's your answer. So we didn't really have to calculate a molar mass. We had to get the molar mass from the periodic table for this one. Okay, so now you'll notice that the rest of the problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all kind of resemble, all have the compounds that we're going to calculate the molar mass with. So I picked question 1 because if we look, Na2CO3 is here, Na2CO3. So we're going to calculate the molar mass here and then use it to do this. Okay, so let's calculate the molar mass. So to do that, okay, we're going to have Na, C, and O. Here we're going to have 2 times whatever that is. C, we're going to have 1 times 12.011, and O is 3 times 15.999. And then sodium, just so we know, is 23.99. Sorry, not 23. I think it's 22. Yes, 22.99. Okay, and so now we're going to do that math. So we're going to do 2 times 22.99. That equals 45.98. 45.98. Okay. This is 12.011, and this is, let's see, 15.999. Let's make sure, okay, yep, it has 3 9s, oh, not 7. Let's delete that. Okay, times 3, okay, 47.997, so we add that up. So we're going to do that. Plus 45.98 plus 12.01. That's 105.988. So this is 105.988 grams. Okay, equals 1 mole. Okay. So now we're going to come down. So that's the answer to question 1. Okay, so now we're going to come down here and we're going to do our X-line problem. Okay, Okay, and this is 4.5 moles of sodium carbonate. So in order to do this, we need the molar mass. So we're going to do 1 mole equals 105.988 grams, okay, of sodium carbonate. That's our molar mass. Okay, so now we're going to start with the problem given, or start with the number given, 4.5 moles. We're going to X line. Okay, we're going to put moles on the bottom, grams on the top, and it's 1 mole for every 105.988 grams. So we do this. So we're going to do 4.5 times 105.988. And that is equal to 476.9 grams. Okay. So that is there. So those are the sample problems. Hopefully that helps you and you can get the rest of the sheet done. Okay, so there you have it. Have a great day, everybody.